Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hello everyone, so looking at gold and some miners here on the daily. The bears are still in control. The bulls have not established support yet, and that is in large part because of the dollar strength. I just made a video on correlations. I highly suggest checking it out because it certainly is relative to the gold and dollar moves we're seeing. So gold has all key moving averages as resistance. We still have this 100 period down here at 1305. Bulls don't want that to be in the picture anytime soon, but it might be. The weekly chart is rejecting from the 10-week moving average resistance. We've got the middle Bollinger Band support of 1312. That range is tightening, and we can see the upper wicks anytime we get near 1360. Big pullbacks from that level. So on the daily time frame, we had a nice bounce overnight. Higher lows, higher highs, upper wick rejection, lower high, upper wick rejection, and then the dump started. Now, what I want to point out here is this 3-hour dump. It started at noon. Look at the dollar. Noon, 3-hour breakout, 2 hours of pullback. Looks like it could be a bull flag for continuation. The bulls need to be aware of that. And the gold chart has those 3 hours of dump and a potential bear flag. So watching the dollar, if you're trading gold, is absolutely essential. There is an inverse correlation between the two, and it is fairly strong here over the past couple of days. So there was a very clear setup here on the 15-minute chart heading into noon. Look at this higher low, lower high pattern. Very clear tightening wedge, and as soon as it broke, we had a big time dump to the downside. That was your entry signal right there. Get in bear miners as soon as it broke, and big time gains to the downside. So the hourly chart for gold is not seeing much signal for bullish reversal just yet. The 4-hour chart, the hourly RSI is down under 30, so it is oversold. The 4-hour RSI is just above 30. No bullish reversal candlesticks confirmed on the 4-hour chart since that dump earlier today. Next support I'm looking at, besides the low of today, 1318.85, is down at 1313.15. So let's now look at the miners, and today is a perfect example. I keep saying, if you're playing miners bullish, you're playing JNUG. If you're playing miners bearish, you're playing dust. And that is because the junior miners are stronger than the senior miners. How do I know that? Here's the senior miners, NUGT. Lower highs and lower lows. Low of yesterday, 1812. Low of today, 1761. We broke that level by over 50 cents, which is 2.5% roughly. Look at JNUG. Did not break the low of yesterday. Higher low. Completely different setup on the chart. Bulls are stronger for the junior miners. So let's compare to Dust and JDST. Here's JDST. Didn't break the high of yesterday, rejecting from the 10-day moving average resistance. Today's range within yesterday's range. And we look at Dust. Broke the high of yesterday, not significantly, but it's a higher high. The 10-day moving average is easily support, and the bulls are in much stronger control. So again, cannot stress this enough. Bearish miners, you're playing Dust. Bullish miners, you're playing JNUG. I appreciate you watching. We will certainly check back in tomorrow. Check out that correlations video. It ties it all together.